Hi, we had a great day at Hospitality Interior and Design exhibition, which is happening at the Dr. Shyamaprasad Mukherjee Stadium at Bambolim, Goa. Today was the first day, and we had an overwhelming response. There were a lot of visitors from the architect fraternity, from the interior design fraternity, from the hotel industry, design consultants, as well as resort pub owners who had visited the exhibition in large numbers today. It has been a great day for the exhibitors. They have got a lot of response, a lot of orders, and this exhibition is going to continue till Sunday. So we would like to welcome you all to please ensure that you don't miss out this exhibition this time and visit at Dr. Shyamaprasad Mukherjee Hall from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.